C in 100 seconds, sprint, and snprintf. Sprintf works like printf, but instead of printing to the screen, it writes into a character buffer. Same format specifiers, different destination. Great for building file names. The 03D pads the number with leading zeros. File 007.txt. snprintf is the safe version. Pass the buffer size as the second argument, and it will never write past the end. It returns how many characters it needed, even if it had to truncate. Perfect for building log lines. Format the level, the label, and the value all safely within 50 characters. Sprintf trusts you to provide a big enough buffer. snprintf checks for you. In real code, always prefer snprintf. Sprintf built the greeting and the path. snprintf truncated the long string at 14 characters, but told us it needed 26. The log line and the scores both came through clean. Next up, structs. Phase 4 begins.